To avoid the base rate fallacy, it's crucial to become more mindful of the information we're given and question the weight we assign to specific versus general details. This means paying closer attention to the statistical context in which decisions are made and recognizing that just because specific information is available, it doesn't necessarily outweigh broader trends. This shift requires intentional thinking, as we're naturally inclined to take cognitive shortcuts that simplify decision-making. By resisting these shortcuts and being more thoughtful about our conclusions, we can significantly reduce errors in judgment. One classic example of the base rate fallacy in action is the cab problem, where participants were asked to determine the likelihood of a red cab being involved in an accident based on witness testimony. While the base rate suggested that only 15% of the city's cabs were red, participants focused on the witness's testimony instead of considering the statistical likelihood, vastly overestimating the chance that the cab was red. This scenario illustrates how easily individuating details can cloud our judgment, even when base rate data is readily available. In another study, participants were asked to predict how much money they and their peers would donate to charity. Despite being shown actual donation data from others, participants continued to overestimate their own generosity. This stubbornness stems from our reliance on individuating information, what we know about ourselves, rather than the statistical reality. Even when presented with compelling base rate data, participants clung to their initial predictions, demonstrating just how powerful the base rate fallacy can be. In summary, the base rate fallacy is a cognitive bias that leads us to favor specific, individuating information over general statistical data. By understanding the reasons behind this fallacy, whether it's due to relevance or the representativeness heuristic, we can work to improve our decision-making processes and avoid falling into the trap of ignoring valuable base rate information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.